Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel and welcome to my unboxing of the new Tamiya, I think how you pronounce it is a Buggyra Fat Fox. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but it's their latest Euro racing truck. It's based on the TT01 Type E chassis. Let's take a look at the box. Comes with a torque tune motor and an electronic speed controller. These are the separately required items that you'll need, except it does come with the ESC. I don't know why it says separately required items there. Take a look at this edge. Alright. So, in the box, you've got the ESC. Looks like it's the TBLE02. Pretty standard for Tamiya. Here's the silver can motor, bag of parts, some more bag of parts. You probably recognize these from any other TT01 Type E chassis. This is all pretty normal. Here is the part of the cab. Looks like this is the rear, this is the top of the cab, this is the back of the cab. Some more recognizable TT01E parts. Alright, you see basically the base of the truck. It's got the front of the truck right here as well as the rear. So it's like the bottom half. Body closed. Chassis tub. TT01E type, or TT01E chassis tub, pretty standard. Wheels for the Euro truck, definitely different from what I'm used to. Bumper. Euro truck tires. Instruction manual. Decals. And looks like some Fat Fox specific instructions right here. As well as the TT01E general instructions. That's pretty much it. Can't wait to start building this truck. Thanks for watching.